Right, we are back again. We are in Ardingly this time, doing the Balcombe Ardingly Reservoir Circular. Hopefully get the drone up today. No wind is forecast, so fingers crossed. Looks like we have been lucky with the weather again. Sun's out, bit of a blue sky. It's quite muddy this trail, guys, so I'd recommend some walking boots or shoes, whatever you've got. I'll, as always, put the link to the map in the description. This is actually incredibly disturbing. This is a reservoir, so you can see where the mud is all the way up to the tree line. That's where the water used to be, and now it isn't. It's just that small stream in the middle. Where I'm currently stood would have been underwater all the way up to here. We need a lot of rainfall, don't we? It's beautiful though. Tell you one thing I have noticed about this hobby, if that's what you can call it, is people are very friendly. I've just bumped into a local here, comes and does this walk regularly. He's told me about the walk through Ashdown Forest. I think maybe I'll have to check that up. Look that up, check it out. Anyway, onwards. Actually got the drone up there. Hope you enjoyed the footage. Gotta be honest with you, a little bit nervous flying that up over the water. It's quite an expensive bit of kit, and it is the first time I've ever flown it. Hopefully I'll get a bit braver in the future. What a lovely spot for a brew. Just don't look down. Fucking hell. Right, well, as you can see, I am at home. I made the mistake of not fully charging my phone, so it ran out with about a quarter of the trail to go. It wasn't much more to see, to be honest. It was mainly road and hidden bridleway, so you didn't miss anything. Overall, I'd say the hike was very easy. The lake part was interesting, but the rest of it was kind of just, it felt more like I was taking the dog for a walk than going for a hike, if I'm honest. Stepometer's telling me it was 17,000 steps, just over 13 kilometers, and just over 900 calories burnt, for those of you that are interested in those types of things. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see anything else in the next video, and I'll see you on the next trail.